A lot of folks treat affiliate marketing like it's a lottery ticket. They're just kind of hoping for a random sale. But the top 1%, they don't hope. They build. They treat it like a real business. And that's what we're talking about today. Ditching those amateur tactics and plugging in a professional, data-driven system that's built to scale your income.
Okay, so right from the get-go, you've got a choice to make. Just look at these two paths. Over here on the left, that's the hobbyist. They make a sale, which is great. But then they spend the cash and boom, they're right back at square one tomorrow. Now look to the right. That's the empire builder. They make a sale, and what do? They immediately reinvest that profit right back into the system. And that creates this powerful compounding loop that helps them grow way, way faster.
And let's be super clear about this. This has nothing to do with how much money you're making right now. You could be making $10 a month and still have that empire builder mindset. It is a choice you make about the system you decide to build today, not some fancy title you earn way down the road.
So where do we even start building that system? Well, it all starts with data. You have to track everything like a pro, because that data, that's the absolute bedrock of any operation that's built to scale. This is the point where guessing stops and real strategy begins. If you take one thing away from all of this, let it be this. You cannot scale what you don't measure. It's really that simple. Professionals analyze, hobbyists guess. Without the numbers, you're just flying blind, hoping you're going in the right direction. All right, so these are your non-negotiables. Every single week, you have to be tracking your clicks, your conversions, which specific videos or posts are actually driving sales, and which platform, TikTok, Instagram, whatever, is your top performer. This is the data that lets you make smart, unemotional decisions about what to do next. And the best part, you don't have to be some data scientist to figure this all out. We can actually use AI to track smarter, not harder. It's a dead simple two-step process. Once a week, you just collect your key stats from your affiliate dashboard and your social media analytics. Then you literally just copy and paste it all into an AI tool with a special prompt that tells it exactly how to analyze it and find the gold. Okay, this is where the real magic happens. We're moving beyond just collecting numbers on a spreadsheet. We're going to actually use AI as our personal strategist to turn all that raw data into a precise game plan for exactly what content to create next.
And this is the question that paralyzes so many people, right? You've done the work, you've collected all the data, so now what? How do you actually turn those numbers into your next winning piece of content?
Well, the answer is you use a system just like this one. You feed all your performance data into an AI with what we call the master prompt for content optimization. And notice, you're not asking it for random ideas. You're instructing it to act like a conversion strategist and generate a content plan based only on what your data proves is already working. And check this out. This is the kind of stuff it spits out. Look how structured this is. The AI doesn't just give you some vague ideas. It tells you the specific hook to use, the exact angle to take, the best platform for it, and even the style of call to action to use. I mean, this is basically a ready-to-execute content plan, not a brainstorming session. Okay, so you're tracking your data, you're using it to create smarter content, and the sales are starting to roll in. This brings us to the most crucial part of that empire builder mindset, reinvesting your profits. This money isn't just disposable income for you to spend. It's the fuel for your growth engine. So where does that fuel go? You reinvest it smartly. You see, a portion goes to paid ads to scale up what's already converting. Some of it goes to tools that save you precious time so you can produce more. You invest in upping your content quality, better mics, better editing, and crucially, you invest in your own education to get even better. This is what creates that self-sustaining growth loop. And yeah, you guessed it. Just like with content, we can use AI to build a custom reinvestment strategy. You just tell it your monthly profit and what you're promoting, and ask it to act like a top-tier business strategist. It will literally recommend a precise allocation for your funds, telling you exactly where to put every dollar to get the absolute best return and scale up fast. So we've covered a ton. Tracking, using AI for your strategy, and reinvesting for growth. Now let's distill this entire process down into one simple, powerful formula that you can remember and start using right away. But first, you might be asking, does this really work? Well, one affiliate who used this exact system compounded their efforts into a consistent six-figure income. We're talking over 1 million Naira every single month. That's the kind of real-world potential that's on the table here. And I want to be crystal clear, that wasn't a fluke. It wasn't some random viral video that just took off. It was the direct result of a repeatable process. It was by design. So here it is, the entire playbook in one single formula. You start with a repeatable system for how you execute, you power that system with hard data that tells you exactly what's working, and you fuel the whole thing with intelligent reinvestment of your profits. That, systems plus data plus reinvestment, is the formula for true, predictable scale.
And that brings us right back to where we started, with that first choice. Now that you've seen the playbook, the choice is yours. Look at your actions, look at your mindset. Are you building a hobby, or are you building an empire?